Hello everyone, it's Diane with Out and About with Diane. Today we are on the Colorado River kayaking. We're kayaking from Davis Dam Beach to the bridge in Laughlin, and then we're going to go back to Davis Dam and just have a good old time. This is Bruce's first time kayaking. He's not quite used to it yet, but I think he'll really start to enjoy it. That's my friend Maddie. She joined me on this adventure, and it's been a really good time so far. So, all right, let's get started. Are you ready to go? Huh?
Too far forward.
Which side do you want to be on?
That side? He's doing good.
He is for his first time. He's still kind of a little bit annoying though. Want to go to this little beach?
Where?
And then we'll turn around from there? What are you doing? What's your line? No. Alright, we stopped right here at the bridge. Just enjoying the beautiful day. Stopped for a snack. I'm gonna have a drink. Then we're gonna head on back to the dam. Bruce is not too sure what to think about his first time kayaking. Lots of whining, lots of uncertainty. He wants to go swimming when we're kayaking, so he's got the life jacket on. I might dunk him once just to show him what it's like. So, yeah, beautiful day. Oh, it's shallow right there.
Yeah, it's like trying to find the damn current.
What do you think, Bruce? Oh, cool.
The other one, you're looking down, messing with your GoPro.
Nice. Brucey, no. No. I gotta fix that.
What?
I gotta fix that jacket. It's too loose. This way, Brucey. Ugh. Come here. No.
If it's good to have berries. I know doves can't have grapes.
Yeah.
Sure.
We're just eating some lunch. Bruce is taking a break. He wants to kill all the birds, and I won't let him. We're going to head back. We're going to go up against the current, so should be an interesting time, but we're not going too far. Our original plan was to go to the Big Bend State Park, but there are a lot of boats out today, and they're not really watching out for us, and so we are going to do kayaking over there tomorrow and just try to stay out of the way of the boats. It's a beautiful day, though. Look how beautiful this place is. This is Davis Dam Recreation Area. It's part of the Mojave County Parks system, so it's pretty cool. Brucey.
Oh, great. My legs are wet.
Come on, Brucey. Shoot. I need a trash can. Where was it? Okay. Come on. Oh my God, there was a bird in the trash can! Go bye-bye. Right, well, the plan was to hike or kayak back to the dam, but the current right now is much stronger than it was earlier. So I'm gonna walk back and get the car, and we will just come back and pick up the kayak. I left my friend with the kayaks, and then we'll just load them onto the car and maybe do another day of kayaking. So this was a fun little experiment with Bruce. I'm really glad that he liked it. I think I'm going to kayak next on the lake and see how it goes. But yeah, we're going back to the car. Come on, baby. That is the Davis Dam, and it is in place to control water flow because the current is so strong that before the dam was built, the water was flooding this area, and now since the dam is built, it creates a structure for the water so that people can build along the river and live their lives without worrying about being flooded. Alrighty, I made it back to the car, and this is where I'm going to end the video. I've got to load the kayak up, do all of that stuff, and head back to pick up my friend with the kayak. So this is a perfect spot to end the video. I like this Davis Dam recreation area. It's better than Big Bend State Park. I recommend staying here over Big Bend. I don't like the people that work at Big Bend, or at least the one person I had a run-in with. That's in another video. But the person there that works there is a little bit rude. But it's beautiful here, and there's tons of camping, tons of shade. And I don't think it's that expensive. And veterans get in free. I'm going to ask about the camping prices, and I'll leave it in the description too. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.